Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today I have the most awaited product review on my channel. I'm talking about this Kumkumadi Brightening Ayurvedic Face Scrub. Now if you guys following me since beginning, you guys know I have been loving their products, and the Calm Ayurveda Rose Water is the absolute favorite product, okay? And you guys know I have been repurchasing that since last 3 years, and I am going to repurchase that again and again and again in future, okay? But we are not talking about the rose water today. We are talking about this face scrub, okay? This one is formulated with pure Kumkumadi oil, which is a miraculous beauty fluid, and apart from that they have added 12 precious and rare ingredients that gonna help in improving your complexion. If you have fine lines, it gonna smoothen them out, and of course it gonna renew the skin cells. Now we're gonna discuss the ingredients in details कि exactly ये जो 12 precious ingredients लिखे हैं वो क्या है, and then I'm gonna give you a live demo like how you should actually use a physical exfoliator, like correct way to use a physical exfoliator to avoid those micro tears, okay? So if you're interested, then please keep on watching, and if you are new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to hit on that red subscribe button down below and hit on the notification bell as well, so you never miss any of my videos. And if you're not following me on Instagram yet, then please come and follow me there to stay updated for upcoming videos. And now without wasting a minute, let's get started. Okay, so that's how this beautiful product looks like. You can see the packaging is very luxurious, okay? Here you get is this tinted glass का jar है, and here you get one spoon, wooden spoon to scoop out the product. Now इसके texture की बात करूँ, it has a very creamy thick texture, okay? जिसमें आपको काफ़ी छोटे छोटे beads देखने को मिल जाते हैं and saffron के strands भी देखने को मिल जाते हैं, okay? Now they have mentioned that इसके अंदर इन्होंने saffron use किया हुआ है, and that saffron is they have got from Kashmir. Now let's discuss the full ingredient list one by one, देखते हैं क्या है, and साथ के साथ I'm gonna give you the full ingredient list on the screen as well, so that आप भी उसको देख सकते हो, ठीक है? सबसे पहले है Helianthus and a seed oil, which is sunflower seed oil, which is very nourishing, and it work as an emollient. It gonna help in soothing out the skin, okay? Then we have Jubilance Regia shell powder. Now this is basically walnut shell powder, okay? Now walnut shell powder is one such ingredient which is very common in physical exfoliators, but if you don't use it right way, you can end up having micro tears on your skin, because जो पाउडर होता है कुछ एक्सफोलिएंट्स के केस में बहुत ज़्यादा फाइन नहीं होता है, बहुत चंकी पार्टिकल्स रह जाते हैं या कहीं पे शार्प एजेस रह जाते हैं, बट इन दिस पर्टिकुलर स्क्रब जो ग्रैन्यूल्स है ना वो इतने ज़्यादा फाइन है, कि आपको फील ही नहीं होता, लाइक इट्स सो स्मूथ एंड जेंटल. आई एम गोना शो यू इन द डेमो, ओके? ना उसके बाद इसके अंदर देयर आर सम ह्यूमेक्टेंट्स, ग्लिसरीन इज ऑल्सो देयर. आफ्टर दैट इट हैज़ आमंड सीड एक्सट्रैक्ट, विच इज़ बेसिकली rich in vitamin A and D, which gonna nourish your skin basically. And after that it has this crocus sativus flower, which is basically saffron flower, okay? saffron flower होता है, उसके बीच में strands होते हैं saffron के, जिसको उससे pluck करके जो saffron है वो बनाया जाता है, and this saffron is from Kashmir, as I said. And after that it has a retriever, which gonna help in reducing the acne scars. Then it has sesame seed oil, which is rich in vitamin E, and vitamin E is of course a great antioxidant, okay? Then it has this Rubia cordifolia root powder, which is manjistha, जो basically आपका जो pigmentation है उसको reduce करने में help करता है. उसके बाद इसके अंदर है Prunus sericosides extract, again help in brighten up your complexion, okay? And then it has Nulumbo nucifera flower powder, which is basically sacred lotus, which is very hydrating, and if you have dry skin, that helps in reviving the skin and provide you a deep hydration. Then we have Monochoria vaginalis extract, which is rich in antioxidant, and it's anti-inflammatory as well. And then we have Lacifera laca, which is basically gonna helps in healing up the wounds, okay? We have Glycyrrhiza glabra root powder, which is basically a licorice, Okay, now licorice has a lot of anti-aging benefits to the skin. If you have dark spots, if you have pigmentation, it definitely help in reducing that pigmentation. And then we have Ficus bengalensis bark powder. Now this particular ingredient helps in lighten up the dark spots. Okay, then we have Capre Lac, which is basically goat milk, okay, which is rich in antioxidant, and that also helps in naturally balancing your skin pH. The last ingredient we have Casalpinia spam stem powder, which is again a exfoliant. Okay, now this product is full of ingredients which gonna work on your pigmentation, dark spots. If you have acne marks, it gonna definitely help in that as well. If you have fine lines, it gonna smoothen them out. Okay, now to be very honest, it's been I think more than a week, and I have tried it I think twice or thrice as for now. Okay, and I can see my skin looks bright. Like जब भी मैं इसको स्क्रब को करती हूँ, मुझे अपना complexion even out सा लगता है, and it does exfoliate really well. So let's see the demo first. Now they have done some clinical trials as well, जिसमें 34% women have seen visibly smooth skin, and 23% women have seen a reduction in pore size. Like if you are a person who is suffering from that जो थोड़ा strawberry kind of जो इधर pores बहुत अजीब से हो जाते हैं ना, तो उसको ये refine करने में बहुत अच्छे से help करेगा, आपके skin को brighten up करने में help करेगा, because that's clinically proven. So उसके results हैं, आप पढ़ भी सकते हो, मैं नीचे description में इस product का लिंक दे दूंगी, तो वहाँ पे आप जब जाओगे तो ये सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको वहाँ मिल जाएगी, आप खुद भी पढ़ सकते हो. ठीक है, सो फाइनल वर्ड्स फ्रॉम माई साइड, आई विल हाईली रिकमेंड दिस वन इफ यू लव physical exfoliators and if you're looking for a good scrub. This jar gonna last you up to 2 to 3 or I think 3 to 4 months भी आपके ये निकाल सकता है बहुत आराम से, because consistency जो है इसकी it's quite thick and rich, तो आपको बहुत कम quantity लगता है. Okay, but still if you are confused then I would say go for the छोटा वाला जार 25 ml का भी इनका क्वांटिटी आता है, आप पहले वो ट्राई कर सकते हो. अगर आपको अच्छा लगता है देन आप ये बड़ा जार भी ले सकते हो, बट फ्रॉम माई साइड आई विल हाईली रिकमेंड दिस वन, and I just love this one. So that is it guys, that's all about this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, don't forget to give this one a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I will see you in my next video guys. Until then, take care and stay beautiful. Bye bye.